In the second age of Middle-earth, the lords of elves, dwarves and men are given rings of power. Unbeknownst to them, the Dark Lord Sauron forges the One Ring in Mount Doom, instilling into it a great part of his power in order to dominate the other rings so he might conquer Middle-earth. A final alliance of men and elves battles Sauron's forces in Mordor. Isildur of Gondor severs Sauron's finger and the ring with it, thereby destroying his physical form. With Sauron's defeat, the third age of Middle-earth begins. The ring's influence corrupts Isildur, who takes it for himself. Isildur is later killed by orcs and the ring is lost for 2,500 years until it is found by Gollum, who owns it for 5 centuries. The ring is then found by a hobbit named Bilbo Baggins, who was unaware of its history. 60 years later, Bilbo celebrates his 111th birthday in the Shire, reuniting with his old friend the wizard Gandalf the Grey. Bilbo reveals that he intends to leave the Shire for one last adventure, and he leaves his inheritance, including the ring, to his nephew Frodo. Gandalf investigates the ring, discovers its true nature, and learns that Gollum was captured and tortured by Sauron's orcs. Uttering 2 words during his interrogation, Shire and begins. Gandalf returns and warns Frodo to leave the Shire. As Frodo departs with his friend Gardener Samwise Gamgee, Gandalf rides to Isengard to meet with the wizard Saruman, but Gandalf learns that Saruman has joined forces with Sauron, who has dispatched his 9 undead Nazgul to find Frodo. Frodo and Sam are joined by fellow hobbits Merry and Pippin, and they evade the Nazgul before arriving in Bree, where they are meant to meet Gandalf. However, Gandalf never arrives, having been taken prisoner by Saruman. The hobbits are then aided by a ranger named Strider, who promises to escort them to Rivendell. However, they are ambushed by the Nazgul, and their leader, the Witch King, stabs Frodo with a mortal blade. Arwen, an elf and Strider's betrothed, rescues Frodo, summoning floodwaters that sweep the Nazgul away. She takes him to Rivendell, where he is healed. Frodo meets Gandalf, who escaped Isengard with help from the Great Eagle. That night, Strider reunites with Arwen and they confirm their love for each other. Arwen's father, Lord Elrond, holds a council that decides the ring must be destroyed in Mount Doom. Frodo volunteers to take the ring, accompanied by Gandalf, Sam, Merry, Pippin, Legolas, Gimli, Boromir of Gondor, and Strider, who is revealed to be Aragorn, Isildur's heir and the rightful king of Gondor. Bilbo, now living in Rivendell, gives Frodo his sword Sting. The Fellowship of the Ring sets off over a tall mountain, but Saruman summons a storm that forces them to travel through the mines of Moria. After finding all of the dwarves of Moria have been slain, the Fellowship are attacked by orcs and a cave troll. They hold them off but are confronted by Durian's Bane, a Balrog residing within the mines. Gandalf casts the Balrog into a vast chasm, but it drags him down into the darkness. The devastated Fellowship reaches Lothlorien, ruled by the elf queen Galadriel, and her husband Celeborn. Galadriel privately informs Frodo that only he can complete the quest and that one of his friends will try to take the ring. Meanwhile, Saruman creates an army of Uruk-hai to track down and kill the Fellowship. The Fellowship continues their travel by river. Frodo wanders off and is confronted by Boromir, who tries to take the ring. The Fellowship is then ambushed by the Uruk-hai. Merry and Pippin are taken captive and Boromir is mortally wounded by the Uruk chieftain Lurtz. Aragorn arrives, kills Lurtz, and watches Boromir die. Afraid of the ring corrupting his friends, Frodo decides to travel to Mordor alone, but then reconsiders by allowing Sam to come. After hearing his promise from Gandalf, Aragorn, Legolas and Gimli decide to rescue Merry and Pippin.